March, week 3, math, first grade, lesson 2, reviewing box 11. Remember box 11? It's the one that has letters for the unknown values. Rich found 12 frogs in the pond. He found 5 more in a ditch. Then he found 4 more in some wet grass. So that's R frogs total. How much is R? Do we know all of the stuff?
No.
Good. Question mark. But we do know part of it. How many in the pond? Do you guys remember?
No.
12. So make a line and go 12. And I'm sorry, my line is a little bit too far. It's supposed to match the box. And then in the ditch he found 5. And in the wet grass he found 4. So this time we have 3 parts, look. But they're all the same, right? It's all frogs. And when we don't know all the stuff, but we do know all the parts, the parts come together. It's going to be a plus. But it's going to have 3 add-ins, isn't it? Does it matter which number goes on top?
No.
No. Daniel, which one do you want to put on top?
12.
Okie doke. And then if I write the 5, is it going to go under this 2 or under the 1?
1. 2.
It goes on the 2 because it's units. Okay, so be careful. Keep it to the right there, like that. And then if I write the 4, where is it going to go? No.
1.
Yeah, it's going to go over here on the right because it's just units. So you can see the 1 is all by itself because that's tens. And we said we're going to be adding. And we're going to make a line. And now what are we going to do? This is a review, so you guys tell me what we're going to do now.
Take the units out.
Okay, for the top add end or for the bottom add end? Top. How many? 2. 1, 2. Okay. Now we're going to make this the 1 tenth. Good. So now we're done with the top add end, right? Now what are we going to do?
5 units.
Okay, so middle add end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what?
It's 7. Then we need to grab 4 more.
4 more for the bottom end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you guys move your ruler down. Move it out of the way. That's good. And move the ruler to the other side of those. Okay? Yeah, pick the ruler up and move it. There. Okie doke. Ruler time. We're going to put everything together. Units first or tens? Units first. Okay, so they're all going to go down. And then you're going to count them.
I got 10. I got 11. It's 11. Got 11.
I got 11.
Now we have to take 10 away.
So when we take 10 to the bank, how many should be left? 1. There it is. 10 Into the bank.
And then we have to extend a 10 and put it below the ruler.
Thank you. We're going to exchange for a 10 and put it below the ruler.
And then we add our 10.
And now we add our 10.
And there's what we get.
The answer is the sum 21. That's a lot of frogs.
21.
Yep. I used to, you guys, I went to school in Austria for a semester because my dad was born there, and I stayed with some cousins and an aunt, and there was this pond you could go by, and it had all these little tiny frogs. They were very small.
They're called tadpoles.
No, they weren't. They were actual frogs, but they were like only like that big.
I've seen frogs, real frogs are this big.
Huh?
They're tiny.
Like that. And then there was like hundreds of them.
I've been frog catching before.
It's fun, huh?
I like to set a net on the pond, like so they can't get out, and then they get stuck in the net because they try to jump up, and then their claws shoot out when they jump, and then it hooks onto their net, and they can't figure out how to get back out.
That's right.
And Miss Cammy, we had to use a
Oh, alright. Kay, your hand is up.
Me and my cousins, we went to go catch some frogs and like tadpoles with their back legs and the front legs, but they still have a little bit of their tail left. So we came there. So we came to the pond, and the day before we came, they caught 50 something.
Whoa.
I can bring you some.
Alright, guys, we have to go on with the lesson. So I am going to use this one because it has a funny picture of a guy. Look at that guy's teeth. Isn't that funny?
Can I see?
Alright. So let's read it. It says, Bob had 20 teeth in first grade. In second grade, he lost 6 teeth. Now he only has Y teeth left. How much is Y? Do we know all the stuff? Actually, this time it did tell us, didn't it? So what was it? How many teeth?
20.
20.
It's a good size box. This box is 20.
And then, do we know part of the stuff? Yep. He lost part of them. He didn't lose all of his teeth. He lost some of them. So make a line part way. That's some of this stuff, right? And how many was it that he lost in second grade? 6.
No, 16.
No, it just said 6. Goodness me, 16 teeth in 1 year. That would be crazy. Do we know the other part? Does it tell us?
No.
Nope.
You put your sips on the wrong side.
Yeah, it's okay. It actually doesn't matter which side it goes on. So what kind of problem is this?
Plus. Minus.
It's a minus. Look, Damien. Take it away. All right. Doesn't matter which number goes on top. Yeah, it does. We need the big guy. This is our minuend. That's right. You hear what Lark said? You can't take 20 from 6.
Yeah.
Okay. So the little guy, 6, is going to be the subtrahend. Make a takeaway sign. And a line. And now I didn't have you put your tiles away last time because all you need to do is get rid of this unit. Alright?
Get a placeholder.
And get a placeholder. Yep, that's what I was going to say. Good job, Kay. So there's our 20. There's 20, right? All set? Now what?
Next. Then we have to exchange.
Yeah, we cannot take 6 away from
20.
from
1. 0.
0, right? You cannot take 6 away from 0. So Kay said we have to exchange. What are we going to exchange, Kay?
The
One of our 10s. Good. Take a 10 to the bank, and then what do they have to give you?
10 deals. Now we can take away our
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And bye-bye placeholder. And then you do need to quickly take away 6 because you're not really supposed to have 10 units there.
There's a add
6. Are we done?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are. We don't have to take away any 10s.
We only had 4
Okay, so that poor kid only has 14 teeth left in 2nd grade.
Poor Bob.
Poor Bob, yeah. Hopefully his new ones grew in pretty quick, maybe by 3rd grade. Alright. Okay, that was a nice review lesson of Books 11. Well, you look at yours. Don't look at mine. Count yours.
It's 14.
It is 14. Good. Always count your own tiles, right?